Hello everyone. Today let me show you a simple trick to change your old mattress to a brand new one. The secret is the mattress zipper encasement. So the first step you need, bring a scissor. Just cut it off. As you can see, this is how you got allergies. So before building your new mattress, make sure to clean it first. Going further, don't forget to wear. And as you can see, I just right now put the cover for the springs. Now let's put back the springs. And right now we can put the top cover. Okay, so right now let's get ready to put the cover mattress. So this is the bottom cover of the new zippered mattress. And right now let's put the memory. And now let's put the micro spring. Right now let's put the topper cover. And now let's